Cotton buds, also known as cotton swabs or cotton swab sticks, are widely used for various purposes, from applying cosmetics to cleaning hard-to-reach areas. However, when it comes to using cotton swabs to remove earwax, there are significant dangers and risks involved. Earwax, or cerumen, is a natural substance produced by the ear to protect the delicate skin of the ear canal. It helps to lubricate and clean the ear, preventing dust, debris, and microorganisms from entering the ear canal. In most cases, the ear canals are self-cleaning, and earwax naturally moves outwards, carrying away any dirt or particles. Using cotton buds for earwax removal is a common practice, but it is not recommended by medical professionals. The main reason for this is that cotton swabs can push the earwax deeper into the ear canal, causing blockages and potential damage. When inserted too far or with excessive force, the cotton bud can injure the delicate structures within the ear, including the eardrum. Ear injuries from cotton buds can range from minor scratches and irritation to more severe damage, such as perforation of the eardrum. These injuries can lead to pain, hearing loss, tinnitus, dizziness, and even infection. It's crucial to understand that the ear is a sensitive organ, and any mishandling can have serious consequences. So, should you use cotton buds to clean your ears? The answer is a resounding no. The ear has a self-cleaning mechanism, and interfering with it by using cotton swabs can disrupt the natural balance and lead to problems. If you experience an excessive buildup of earwax or feel discomfort, it is advisable to consult a healthcare professional who can safely remove the wax using appropriate methods. If you find yourself with a cotton bud stuck in your ear, it is important not to panic. Attempting to remove it yourself can worsen the situation and potentially cause further injury. Instead, seek medical assistance immediately. Healthcare professionals have the necessary tools and expertise to extract foreign objects from the ear safely and effectively. It's worth highlighting that the wrong use of cotton swabs extends beyond ear cleaning. Some individuals may mistakenly insert cotton buds into their ears to relieve itchiness, clean the ear canal, or even to scratch an unreachable itch. These practices are highly discouraged, as they can cause injury and complications. Cotton, the material from which cotton buds are made, is a natural fiber known for its softness and absorbency. It has various applications, ranging from textile production to medical uses. However, using cotton buds for ear cleaning is not one of its recommended uses. In recent years, the safety of cotton swabs has come under scrutiny, leading to discussions about alternative methods for earwax removal. One such alternative is the use of a water pick, a device that delivers a gentle stream of water into the ear canal, helping to flush out excess wax. However, it is essential to use a water pick or any other ear cleaning device with caution and follow the manufacturer's instructions to avoid potential harm. If a cotton bud becomes stuck in the ear, attempting to remove it at home can be risky. It is strongly advised against using tweezers, cotton buds, or any other objects to extract it yourself. Instead, consult a medical professional who can assess the situation and take the appropriate measures to safely remove the cotton bud without causing further harm. So, using cotton buds for ear cleaning poses significant dangers and risks. The ear is a delicate and self-cleaning organ, and interfering with its natural processes can lead to injury, blockages, and complications. It is important to prioritize ear health and seek professional guidance if you experience any issues with excess earwax or discomfort. Remember, your hearing and well-being are best protected by leaving earwax removal to the experts. Now that you have become aware of all the harm that the misuse of cotton swabs can cause, I want to introduce you to a safe and effective formula for you to add to your routine. Click the link in the description and discover the revolutionary Smart Ear Remover, your solution for hassle-free earwax removal. With its gentle and effective technology, this device ensures painless extraction, promoting optimal hearing clarity. Enjoy the convenience of a portable and user-friendly design, while maintaining excellent ear hygiene. Say goodbye to discomfort and hello to a world of enhanced auditory experiences with the Smart Ear Remover. Link in description of this video.